So I've just gone online literally 5 minutes ago and I got a double order straight away. Like, I was online for 5 minutes. Start the shift off with a double order. The boost is 1.4 and it's just gone 6:15 in the evening. It's a Sunday night. Oh yeah, you're right. There you are. Drink to that. Perfect, thank you. Another one coming in from McDonald's. I'll accept it, but if it's a big order then I'll just decline it afterwards because I just went past there and it's really busy. On a roll tonight. I've been online for less than 20 minutes and I'm on my third order already. It's crazy. No rain forecasted for tonight as well, which is another bonus. Yeah, let's go grab this order and get it delivered and we'll see how much I've got for all 3 orders. Alright, so I got the McDonald's order. 0.6 miles away. There you are, there's one, and there's 2 upright. Thank you very much. £5.21. That takes me up to £12.08 for 3 trips, and I've been online for, let's see how long I've been online for. 53 minutes. Not bad. I just had another order come in just now. It's literally the end of this road. It's going to be my 4th order in less than an hour. So yeah, I think it's going to be a busy one tonight. Yeah, let's go grab this order and get it delivered. 6A1. Oh, no, thank you. So this one's 1.1 miles away. Not bad. Right, let's get this one dropped. So that last one paid £5.40, not bad. That takes me up to £17.48 for 1 hour and 21 minutes. So yeah, it's, hopefully it stays like this. It's pretty busy. So I just had a McDonald's order come in, so I'm gonna go pick it up.
One eternity later.
Thank you. Gee, so many delivery bikes. That's mad. Alright, this one's 1.5 miles away. At least this one's over a mile, so I should get about £6.50 for this one, I reckon. Oh, the joys of having an e-bike. Going up this hill before on my old bike was so bad. Just glides up, look. So nice. No effort whatsoever. I would still be at the bottom of that hill on my old bike. Oh. Right, let's see what speed we can get up to. 20 miles an hour, 23, 24. Oh, go down. Oh no, all that mud. God damn. There you are. Thank you. Okay, that one's done. See how much we get for 1.5 miles and a 1.4 boost. and we got £6.14. I wasn't far off, 36 pence off, but yeah, not bad. That takes me up to 23.62 for 5 trips. And yeah, so I'm gonna head back to the zone now and carry on. Catch up with you when I get the next order. The double order coming from around the corner, but I'm not sure if it's going to be too much food to carry. One of the orders I've got like 9 items and the other one's got 3, so I'm going to risk it anyway and go and collect it. We'll find out once I get given the order, you know.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright, got those 2 orders. They just about fit in the bag. This one's 0.9 miles away. For Nina.
Hiya.
There you are.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Okay, let's get the second one delivered. That one is done. Next one. Whoa. Okay, 1 mile away. So I'm on to the second drop now. It's a mile away. Yeah. Coming up to 8:30 now in the evening. Yeah, gotta get this one delivered and then head back into the zone again. I think I'm gonna go back to that Chinese restaurant because it's insanely busy. So this guy up ahead sped past me, not knowing there was an undercover police car right behind him. What a donut. I think he threw something out the window because they went back to pick something up. Yeah, the location took me to the top of the hill.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Sorry about the wait. It's very busy in there, but
I can imagine.
everything is still hot.
Perfect. Thank
Don't
you.
worry.
Really
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. I noticed a little bit of spillage in that bag. I didn't say nothing. I'm hoping that he doesn't report me for it, but there was so many items in there. I think the weight on top of each other must have opened them, but there's nothing I could do about that. I'm gonna have to look in my bag and make sure nothing's leaked in my bag for the next order. No. Yeah. Hopefully he doesn't give me a thumbs down for that, but yeah, I'll give him a thumbs up. Hopefully he doesn't give me a thumbs down. Alright, so them 2 orders are delivered and that pays me for that double order. Come on, Uber, tell me how much. £8.22. It takes me up to 31.84 in, how long have I been online for? £31.84 in 2 hours and 39 minutes. Not bad. That isn't bad at all. Another order from McDonald's. 1 big tasty meal and 2 double cheeseburgers. Yeah, let's go pick this one up. This is probably going to be one of my last ones, but I don't know yet. Depending on, cause I'm getting quite hungry now, and I've got steak at home, and I really want to go over and eat it so badly. So yeah, we'll see. I might do two or three more orders. So I've got the McDonald's order, 1.9 miles away, and I got no cup drinks. It's just a bottle of Tropicana with the meal. Yeah, that's a good thing. Drink.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you, have a good one. Alright, so that one was 1.9 miles. So I reckon about £7. Please be over £7. Please. £6. What? Well, that's not bad for one trip. Takes me up to 37.84. It's quite good. I'm not quite sure why he ordered from that McDonald's that I picked up from, because there's a McDonald's literally like 2 minutes away from here. Maybe he's had a bad experience with them and he doesn't want to order from them again. Possibly, but yeah. A bit weird that you would order from a McDonald's 2 miles away when there's one round the corner. Sure. I'm gonna finish up there. It's 9:30 now. I'm on £37.84 with 8 trips completed, and I was online for 3 hours and 17 minutes. Drop a comment down below, like and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for some more content coming soon.